Class 9th NCERT Maths, exercise number 7.3, question number first. In question number first, a triangle ABC and triangle DBC are two isosceles triangle on the same base BC. ABC and triangle DBC are two isosceles triangle on the same base BC, and vertex A and D are on the same side of BC. Vertex A and D are on the same base, on the same side of the side BC. And if AD is extended to intersect BC at point P. This is side BC. AD is extended to intersect side BC at point P. Show that triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. ABD congruent to triangle ACD. This triangle congruent to this triangle. In this, it is given AB is equal to AC, BD is equal to CD. Why BD is equal to CD? Because triangle DBC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle in which BD is equal to CD, and ABC is also also isosceles triangle. So AB is equal to AC, and side AD is common in both the triangle. So we can say that triangle ABD, triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD by SSS congruency theorem. Now I am going to write down in triangle ABD and ACD. This triangle ABD and ACD, what is given? This side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side. So I am going to just to write it. AB is equal to AC. It is given, and BD is equal to CD. BD is equal to CD. BD is equal to CD. It is also given, and AD is common. AD is equal to AD. AD is equal to AD. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, इस सबको सीक्वेंस में लिखते हैं. यहाँ पे क्या लिखे हैं? AB is equal to AC, AB is equal to AC, BD is equal to CD, BD is equal to CD, and AD is equal to AD. This is common side in both the triangles. So we can say that triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD by side S congruency theorem. If both the triangle are congruent, then we can say that the corresponding part of the congruent triangle are equal. What are the corresponding part? This angle is equal to this angle, this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle also is equal to this angle. So I am going to write it. Angle BAD, angle BAD is equal to CAD, angle CAD, and ADB, angle ADB is equal to angle ADC by CPCT. In part number 2, what we have to prove? We have to prove triangle ABP congruent to triangle ACP. ABP congruent to triangle ACP. This triangle congruent to this triangle. Now in triangle ABP and triangle ACP, in both the triangle, what the things are given? This side is equal to this side and this side is common. This side, in this triangle AB is equal to AC, AP is common in both the triangle, and this angle is equal to this angle. We have proved here. BAD is equal to angle CAD. BAD, BAD, and we can write it as BAP also. CAD, we can write this angle as CAP. So both the triangle are congruent by side angle side congruency theorem. So I am going to write it. AB is equal to AC. Given same thing, angle BAP is equal to angle CAP, above proved. Or in question number first, it is proved. And AP is equal to AP is equal to AP, common side. So triangle, we can say that triangle ABP congruent to triangle ACP by which congruency theorem? Side angle side congruency theorem. It is equal. By side angle side congruency theorem, it is equal. And the corresponding part of the congruent triangle are equal. What are the corresponding part? Here we are in need. Here this figure, from this figure, BP is equal to CP. BP is equal to CP. BP is equal to CP by CPCT. Question number third. AP bisect angle A as well as angle D. Line AP bisect angle A whole angle as well as angle D. It means हम लोगों को क्या प्रूव करना है कि AP bisect whole angle A and whole angle P. इसके लिए हम लोग यदि this angle is equal to this angle, then we can say that AP bisect angle A. Similarly, this angle is equal to this angle, then we can say that the AP bisect angle D. So हमारा यहाँ पे मोटो क्या है कि इस एंगल को इसके बराबर प्रूफ कर देना है और इस एंगल को इसके बराबर प्रूफ कर देना है. From the first part of the question, it is given angle BAD is equal to CAD. BAD is equal to angle CAD. This angle is equal to this angle. So we can say that AP bisects the angle A from first part of the question. It is angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. So AP bisects angle A. And also angle ADB is equal to ADC. ADB is equal to ADC. This angle is equal to this angle. It is given in the first part. We have already proved that in the first part this angle is equal to this angle, and so angle ADB is equal to angle ADC from first part of the question. From the first part of the question, and we can say that the sum of this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree, because the two angles on the same straight line. एक स्ट्रेट लाइन पे कितने डिग्री का एंगल बनता है? 180 डिग्री. सो वी कैन से हियर एंगल ADB plus angle BDP is equal to 180 degree, and angle ADC plus angle CDP is equal to also 180 degree, because both the angles are on the same straight line. So from these two we put equation 1 and equation 2. From equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2 both ये दोनों इक्वेशन का राइट साइड क्या है? 180 डिग्री. तो लेफ्ट साइड भी इक्वल हो जाएगा, राइट साइड इक्वल है तो लेफ्ट साइड भी इक्वल होगा. सो एंगल ADB प्लस एंगल BDP is equal to angle ADC plus angle CDP, and angle ADB, in place of ADB we put here angle ADB plus angle BDP. Angle BDP is equal to angle ADC. In place of ADC we can put angle ADC is equal to angle ADB. So in place of angle ADC we can put ADB plus angle CDP. Now ADB दोनों साइड में, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? एंगल ADB कैंसिल. सो एंगल BDP इज इक्वल टू एंगल CDP. एंगल BDP इज इक्वल टू एंगल CDP. So we can say here both the angles are equal. This angle is equal to this angle. BDP is equal to angle CDP. So we can say AP also bisects angle D. AP also bisects angle D. It is also proved. In the fourth part, what we have to prove? AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Line AP is perpendicular bisector of side BC. Bisector, it means AP line divides the line BC into two equal parts. It means BP is equal to CP. And perpendicular, it means the angle here it is the 90 degree. This angle is equal to 90 degree and this angle is equal to also 90 degree. We have to prove it in the second part of the question. In the second part of the question, BP is equal to CP. We have already have proved it. How? Where it is? This is BP is equal to CP by CPCT. It is already proved. Now only we have to prove this angle is equal to 90 degree. Which angle? This angle is equal to this angle is equal to 90 degree. So we can write here BP is equal to CP from second part of the question. Of the second part of the answer. Second part of the answer we already have proved it. Now in triangle BPD and triangle CPD. In BPD and CPD, BD is equal to CD given. BD is equal to CD. It is given. BD is equal to CD given. BP is equal to CP already proved, and DP is equal to DP common side. So we can say that triangle BPD congruent to triangle CPD and angle BPD is equal to angle CPD by CPCT. So we can say that sum of this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because it is both the angles are on the same straight line BC. एक स्ट्रेट लाइन पे कितने डिग्री का एंगल बनता है 180 डिग्री. सो वी कैन से दैट sum of both the angle are 180 degree. So angle BPD plus angle CPD is equal to 180 degree, and angle BPD plus in place of angle CPD is equal to angle BPD is equal to 180 degree. Now angle BPD plus angle BPD, we can write here twice of angle BPD is equal to 180 degree. 90 times it is cancelled. So we can say here angle BPD is equal to 90 degree. Proved.